How to change Excel column name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. After that, you can directly launch Excel if you have it. Then if not, then you can just launch your data directly. So what you can simply do over here is you can just launch the file that you'd want to launch, and then here you can see the columns. Now when you want to change the name of the column, simply tap on the column. So you can just tap on the column over here, and as you do that, you can just tap on or see the option of enter text or formula here. So tap on the enter text or formula here. You can select the column name. I'm going to select like keyword over here, and then tap on the check mark. So here you can see the column name has been written over here. So you can write or you can change your Excel column name just like this. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.